Hello everyone, welcome to flowindata channel, and today we are going to start our new topic, that is string. Okay, so what is a string? A string is a textual data in programming language, and it is the sequence of characters and can also contain spaces and numbers. So there are three ways to write string in Python, and I'm going to show you one by one. Okay, so let me write a variable val, and I'm going to write string values. Okay, so the first way is using the single quote. So let me write this is string value. Okay, so using the single quote you can write the single line string. Now let's print out this. So you can see this is string value. The next way is using the double quotes. Okay, so double quotes and single quotes, they works in the same way, but just remember you can't put double quotes and single quotes together like this. It is completely wrong, absolutely wrong. Okay, you have to use the same thing. If you are using double quotes, end with double quotes. If you start with single quotes, end with single quote. Okay, now let's write something. This is string value. Let's write multiple lines and see if it is print out or not. Okay, so we have this multiple lines values, but it is showing the error over here and we are not going to get any output here. So what you need to do is, for the multiple lines string value, you need to put the three quotes. Okay, you can write like this, three quotes. Okay, so now let's run. You can get the output. Okay, so this is string value. Let's write multiple lines and see if it is print out or not. Yes, it print out because we have used the triple quotes over here. So similarly you can use the double quotes too, like this, 1 2 3. Okay, and you need to end with triple double quotes. Fine, so this is same. The double quotes and single quotes work in the same way. Okay, so see you in the next video with more string functions, and thank you for being with us.